Let's review how to solve word problems where you have to find combinations or possibilities. Here's our first sample. Maddie has a blue shirt and a red shirt. She has 2 pairs of green pants and a pair of yellow pants. How many combinations can she make? How many different outfits can she make out of the clothes that she has? Well, we've got to first really pay attention to what the clothes are. There's a blue shirt, there's a red shirt. And what else? There are 2 pairs of green pants. So we've got 2 green pants and a pair of yellow pants. Yellow pants, okay? Now, I made some little notes here. You can take a piece of paper and cut it up and make little things like what you see here. I've got the blue shirt. You can just take a little piece of paper and write B on it for blue, or blue shirt, or something like that on it. And then I got a red shirt right here. I've got my yellow pants here. See, yellow. Okay. I got 2 pairs of green pants. So there's a pair of green pants and there's a pair of green pants. Now what I'm going to do is put these together in some combinations, different outfits. I'm going to put all the pants first. And then I'm going to put 1 shirt with each of them. So what I have here is a blue shirt with yellow pants. That's the blue-yellow combination. Then I can do the blue shirt again with some green pants. I would write that like this: blue shirt, green pants. And then I can put the blue shirt with the other green pair of pants. And it would be the blue shirt with the other green pair of pants. I've done all the things I can do. All the things I can do with the blue shirt. So the blue shirt is out of there. Then I'm going to write yellow, green, green again for the pairs of pants. And I'm going to bring the red shirt in. So now I just made a combination that looks like this: red shirt with yellow pants. And then I can do the red shirt with the green pants. Red shirt with green pants. And then the red shirt with the other green pants. Red shirt with the other green pants. And so you can see all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different combinations, or 6 different outfits. So I'm going to write 6 combinations. That's my answer to that kind of problem. Okay, what if you have a problem like this one below here, where it doesn't matter which thing goes on the top and which thing goes on the bottom? Like in the clothes, you can't put the shirt, it can't be like 2 shirts together. You can't have 2 pants together or something like that. You have to put a specific thing with some other specific thing, which we don't have to do in this next problem. So check this out. Blake is going to get a double scoop of ice cream. He can choose mint, Rocky Road, or cookies and cream. How many possibilities does he have for a double scoop ice cream? So we've got mint, we've got Rocky Road, and we've got cookies and cream. 3 different kinds of ice creams. So what I did here was I made some little things that represent a scoop of ice cream. And you could do this just like this too. And this works, by the way, when it comes to like inviting friends to go to a concert or something like that. Yeah, you have tickets for something and you want to see how many different combinations of your friends that you could have come with you. And so same idea on this, okay? So here we go, and let's make, didn't mean to do that there. Let me undo. Let's undo a lot of this stuff. Oh no. There we go. Got to get that red line out of there. Okay. I am going to move this over to here and use mint. All right. So first I can make a double mint. Mint combination. So I'm going to keep track of this over here. I could do mint, mint, and then I can get the mint out of there and do mint and cookies and cream. So I'm going to do mint, cookies and cream. Now, if I put cookies and cream on the top and the mint on the bottom, that's still the same combination. Do you see? That's the same possibility. Mint with cookies and cream. It doesn't make any difference which flavor goes on the top and which one goes on the bottom. So then I could also do the mint with the Rocky Road. Mint, Rocky Road. Okay, I've done the mint with everything I can possibly do the mint with. And so I'm going to just move these mints out of the way. We can't use mint anymore because mint is with all three of them. Now we're going to use cookies and cream. Cookies and cream could go with cookies and cream. So that would be cookies and cream with cookies and cream. Then I could put cookies and cream with Rocky Road. That would look like this. Cookies and cream with Rocky Road. And that's all I can do. I can't put cookies and cream with mint because I've already done all the mint combinations. Now I've done all of the cookies and cream combinations. So I'm done with those flavors as well. The only thing that I have left is 2 Rocky Roads. And so that's going to be my final combination. Rocky Road, Rocky Road. How many different combinations did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so that means I can make 6 possibilities for what we can get for the ice cream scoops if I'm getting double scoops. That's that answer right there. Hopefully that helps you.